how to turn off auto submit in Expensify. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off auto submit in Expensify. So to get started, go ahead and open Expensify into your browser. And then from here, go ahead and head over into the Workspace tab. So from here, go ahead and click on the three dots at the right side of your selected workspace, and then click on Go to Workspace, and then from here, head over into Workflows and make sure to disable the option to auto submit. So make sure to disable submission frequency to be able to disable auto submit for your Expensify account. So basically, once you disable this, all of the created reports with expenses won't be submitted immediately. So you can basically review it first and decide between merging it with another report or not. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.